Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for 18th of September. And first of all, national news. Atishi to succeed Arvind Kejriwal as Delhi Chief Minister. President Murmu inaugurated 8th India Water Week. PM Modi to attend Quad Leaders Summit in US from September 21 to 23, address UN General Assembly. President of India to visit Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand from September 18 to 20. We have created a roadmap to solve Manipur issue, Home Minister Amit Shah. PM Modi listed NDA government's 100 days achievements to benefit the poor, farmers, youth, and women. International news. US Coast Guard said Russian naval vessels crossed into buffer zone of Alaska. Sri Lanka's disenchanted Tamils are divided this election. Japan's elderly population hit record high. COP29 in Baku, Azerbaijan to launch new climate fund at this year's conference. Sports news. The Asian Champions Trophy 2024 came to an end on Tuesday, with India winning a record. Most rounded team that's produced from Bangladesh, coach ahead of India Test series. IPL stalwarts Suresh Raina and Ambati Rayudu won a higher player retention ahead of the 2025 IPL auction. Business related news. Gold imports doubled to record high of $10.06 billion in August. Ola Electric share surged 10%, hit upper circuit limit. Goods export dropped 9.32% to $34.71 billion in August. Wholesale price rose at 4-month low of 1.3% in August. And that's all in news. Thank you.